working on it's either an 02 or 03 Kenworth. The owner changed out the batteries. The batteries are dead, need replaced, and then the truck wouldn't start. So he ran a jumper cable to the jumper line to the shut-off solenoid, and then the truck would start. After a lot of digging around trying to figure out what was going on, if you have this problem, find all these wires coming out of your cab, and there's this little deal right here. Pop that off. There's two 15-amp fuses in there. Both of them were blown. Put new fuses on. Truck fired right up. Just thought I'd maybe help somebody out with that.